Guys, are you looking for something that's super light, good sized trailer, has a slide, maybe some bunks? I think this one is the one for you, okay? This one is the 2022 Apex Ultra Lite, okay? It's the 245 BHS, which means we got a bunkhouse on our hands, okay? So check this one out. If you're, seriously, the Apexes are really great because number one, they have Asdale. Asdale literally just keeps your coach from water damage. So if it ever gets in there, it'll just drain out. Super nice and very reliable, yeah? Take a look at this pass-through storage. Got a pretty nice size pass-through storage. You also got manual jacks here, okay? Got the nice frameless windows, which is a good look for the Apex. You also got this awning here, and it does have LED lights. They're just not on right now. But anyways, so you also got an outdoor kitchen here. Got the tape down grill, so you can grill some burgers, hang out with the family. You can also just put some storage right here, and it's also got a place where you can put other stuff as well, and the refrigerator. So really nice for a bunkhouse to have an outside kitchen. You usually don't see that on every unit, but this one is very, very nice. Got your solid steps. These are the best steps in the game. I'm not kidding you guys. They reach all the way to the ground, and they're super sturdy, okay? So the solid steps and the handle. Let's come on inside. Right to the left here, there's your slide out controls as well as the lights. So, and as you come on in here, take a look at this, guys. Just come all the way in, Gary. See, we got this U-shaped dinette here, okay? This is removable, and it's also a place where you can make into a sleeping space as well, which is quite nice. And it is on the slide out, so the slide out's gonna give you more room to actually live in, right? You even got some more places for storage on the bottom. Gosh, just so nice. Check that out. Super nice. Then going towards the back here, we got more storage right here. You can put towels or any other things that you'd want in here. You can get creative with the space for sure. Go ahead and take a look at this bathroom, which is quite beautiful. It's actually pretty tall. It's got that skylight on there, so even if you're a little bit taller, you can certainly fit because that skylight is still gonna give you that headway for the taller folks, okay? We got the bunkhouse right here, okay? So we got the top bunk and the bottom. The really nice mattresses, they're also a lot wider. Within a smaller trailer, you're gonna have sometimes the narrow bunks. These aren't those. These are like the spacious ones where like you can use for storage, or you can even put kids in there or adults in there. Honestly, either one. But yeah, super nice sized bunks that we got going on here. Then we got our kitchen with the freezer and the fridge as well, gas and electric. So nice dual purpose you got there. You also got your microwave right here, as well as the 3-burner stove cooktop and an oven. Some countries don't have an oven, so that's actually a really cool thing that they're adding in here. More chances for storage on the top here for your plates, your mugs, your anything that you want while you're camping. We also have a removable sink here. It's undermounted, so you don't have to fix the caulking or anything like that. You can just actually know that the sink is undermounted, and you won't have to fix any of that caulking, okay? It's pretty nice. Got the stainless steel going on, and that is super cool and awesome. More chances for drawers and storage right over here. So Apex did a really nice job of just creating a little bit more storage here and there. You also got a place for to access underneath where all the plumbing is and stuff like that. It's also pretty lit in here, guys. Like we got 2 windows here, but there's still pretty nice sunlight coming on in here. And in this booth that we got here, we also have some spaces for storage right there, or you can put your plants in there or whatever you want to make it all nice and design-like. It does also come with a heater and an AC unit too. Just a dual purpose, that is, right up there. We got the Insignia TV here, which is super dope. You also got this little place for storage up there. The radio, obviously, and as well as the speakers. We got a remote here. Got to have that for the TV. Pew, pew, pew. And then you also got the USB ports on the side there. And more chance for storage on the bottom. So guys, this one is actually pretty nice for the storage, that is. Let's come into the bedroom here. This is separated, or a separated bedroom. So this one's actually quite nice. Yeah, you got the queen size mattress here. We also got the, we also got wardrobe closets on each side, and also right above for both sides here. I don't know if you can see that, Gary, but hey, you know, yeah, check that out on that side. Bam! Now you can see it. There we go. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, if this is something that you really want, it's honestly very, very lightweight. You could probably even tow this with a half ton. You also, if you want a bunkhouse for storage or for hosting more people, one with an outside kitchen, a U-shaped dinette, and a slide, this is the one for you, okay? Give me a call. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. I would love to talk to you and help you out. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.